So hello guys, welcome to new video. In today's video I will show how to move a DC motor in both directions, in backward and forward direction using push buttons. So firstly we will take a DC motor, a breadboard, a battery, two AA batteries. If you will not take two batteries, then the motor will not work in both directions. Then you have to use relay for that. Now we will take push buttons and put it here. Now see the connections very carefully. So we will connect the black wire to the first terminal of the push button. Then we will connect the black wire with the second terminal to the positive terminal of the DC motor and the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the DC motor. Now we will see if it works in backward direction or not. Now see, the RPM is coming in negative. That shows that the motor is moving in backward direction. Now we will move the motor in forward direction. Now we will see that if the motor is working in both directions or not. So see, with this push button the motor will work in back direction, and with this button the motor will work in forward direction. Please like, share and subscribe for part 2 if you have not understand how the motor is working. In the part 2 I will show the real working of the motor. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.